And this time, we're at the Cosmo's Wraparound Terrace Suite. So before I get into the agenda of today, let's do a room tour. Here we go. Welcome to the Wraparound Terrace Suite. Got your little table here in the hallway. To the left here is your bathroom, which is extra cool because it comes with a shower as well. Pretty good sized shower too. Now let's head back. Here is the main living room area and the dining area. Now over here is your bar area, some bar chairs. Swoop! Kitchen area, sink, some artwork. So quickly before we continue the vlog, I want to give a quick shout out to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. So Surfshark is a VPN, and for those who don't know what a VPN is, it's simply a software for computers and smartphones to help protect your online privacy. They do this by hiding your IP address and encrypting the data you send to the internet. So VPNs are essential for basically everyone these days since everyone uses the internet on a daily basis, but they're especially important for people who travel often and people who go to hotels often like me. And you potentially. And this is because hackers thrive off of hotel Wi-Fi. It's their goldmine. Another bonus to having a VPN is that it can save you money on hotel bookings. So pricing for hotels always vary based on your location. And with a VPN like Surfshark, you can switch your location to any country that you want with a click of a button. And all you gotta do is refresh and bada bing, you have different prices and you're saving money. So just to wrap things up here, click the link in the description. It'll help Surfshark out and it'll help me out. And use my promo code Pompsie, you'll save 83%. And you'll get 3 additional months on top of that for free. So it's a no-brainer here. It's useful for everyone. And I just want to thank them again for supporting me as a creator. It's unbelievable. So thank you so much. All right, back to the video. And then also what's neat is that they have a fully stocked mini fridge with all those goodies. And on the side, they also have an empty mini fridge to put your whatever you want. So that's pretty neat. Of course, you got a mini bar with goodies as well here. The TV back there, you can connect to Bluetooth and play music, which is neat. Now, before we show you the bedroom, let's go out here. Now, this is the Wraparound Terrace Suite, so you have this incredible view. And you have 2 ends, 2 sides. So here's one side. And then there's the corner, and then the other side. There's 3 entrances that come out here as well. There's 2 right here, 1 in the master bedroom, and 2 in the living room area, which is pretty neat. And now the master bedroom. Big bed, TV in the corner is pretty huge. You got your chair, don't mind my stuff, table, really awesome little fancy lighting. There's beautiful artwork everywhere in the Cosmo. And then you have the bathroom. And the bathroom's neat for a few reasons. You have 2 sinks, the shower there in the middle. You got your tub, and there's 2 entrances. Now look, see, whoop, entrance there, and entrance over here. No doors, interesting. But where you go to do your business, there's a door. Here's the bathroom room. And that's it, guys. That is the Wraparound Terrace Suite at the Cosmopolitan. One of the coolest rooms for sure. All right, so now that we're done with the room tour, a few things are going on today. So right now I'm waiting for Greta. She just got some highlights done in her hair. So that's why she's not with me yet. But when she gets here, we're gonna go down to the pool. So there's 2 pools here at the Cosmo. One at both towers. One is on the 4th floor in the Boulevard Tower, which is the one I'm in. So that's the one we'll be hanging out at mostly. And then there's another pool at the 14th level at the Chelsea Tower. Now, what you can do is you can rent one of those cabanas, which are kind of enclosed areas to hang out, or you could rent what is called a day bed. You guys probably know what I'm talking about, but we have a day bed rented, so we're gonna be hanging out there. And then we also have dinner reservations at Scarpetta, which is one of the best Italian restaurants on the Strip in my experience. So that'll be fun as well. Oh, actually, you know what? I forgot. I'm getting a room tour. Well, I'm getting tours of 2 additional rooms tomorrow morning before I leave.
Hello, I'm sorry I was late. Let's go have lunch now.
Shh. So, at the second level of the Cosmo, there's a bunch of different restaurants and bars, but they have what's called Block 16, which is their food hall. We are eating the newest addition to the Block 16, which is called Bong Bar, and it's created by David Chang of Momofuku fame, which is another restaurant.
That's good.
Oh.
What did I just hear?
I heard
It'll probably be like 70 so far. 73. 72.
So it's 8 p.m. and we have reservations at Scarpetta, the Italian restaurant at the Cosmo. Let's go, Greta, come on. We're about to be late.
We're eating Scarpetta. We're eating Scarpetta. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I have had Scarpetta once in the past, so I'm pretty excited. All right, let's go. Let's go. Gotta get my mask on. Yeah. Mask.
Bye.
I feel like I'm in Goodfellas right now.
Go ahead and open this for you guys.
Oh, thank you. Whoa, this is it?
Wow. Chef's table.
Oh, the chef's table.
Yeah, so you guys get a view of what the cooks do and everything, and chef will come in here and inform you guys about everything, his specialty food and stuff. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys get the whole ordeal.
All right, thanks.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're very welcome. This is just a tasting menu.
So we're at the chef's table, which is kind of a secret dining room table in a room right outside of the kitchen. We could see the whole kitchen, and we have this amazing view of the Bellagio fountains. And we're completely alone here. How cool.
This is so cool.
Right?
I felt so like cool walking through the kitchen. I was like,
Right? We are doing what is known as the signature tasting menu. That's what we're having. It's a little bit of multiple things. We have oysters, octopus,
then spaghetti. Then we're gonna have agnolotti, branzino, filet of beef, and for dessert we're gonna have Nutella bomboloni, which is gonna be so good. I'm so excited for that.
What is Nutella bomboloni?
Nutella bomboloni is pretty much bomboloni is donut dough, but it doesn't have the hole in it, and it's filled, in this case, with Nutella.
So what's also cool is that we just met the head chef here, Michael Vitangeli. Very Italian guy, Italian name. Shout out to Michael. Thank you for taking care of us.
I'm so full, but everything was so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What does Scarpetta mean in Italian?
If you have something left over in your plate and you pick it up with bread, that's what you call scarpetta.
It's soaking time.
Anyone or anything, anyone or anything.
All right, it's 11 a.m. Greta's not here with me, so I'm going alone. I'm going to brunch at the Wicked Spoon. Never really understood the significance of brunch. Nonetheless, looking forward to it.
Just right over here. Sam's gonna take you.
I feel like all I'm doing in this vlog is eating. So this is the first time I've been to a buffet in Las Vegas since 2016. I'm pretty sure Wicked Spoon is one of the only buffets that's open currently. And right now it's kind of interesting. You can't go and serve yourself. So you have to approach a server and say, hey, can I have some of that? And the server will give you that food. That place is amazing. High quality, high quality. They had so much food there, it was insane. But anyway, now I'm heading to the VIP section to meet Marcus, the vice president. He's gonna be giving me a room tour of 2 additional rooms here at the Cosmo. So I just got back from seeing 2 additional rooms. The first one is called the Cityview room, and it's Cosmo's most standard room. It does not come with a terrace / a balcony, but it generally will be around $40 to $100 cheaper than any other room at the Cosmo. Now the second room we saw is called the Terrace 1-bedroom suite, and that room is awesome. It comes with a balcony, it comes with a living room area, a big king or queen size bed, and then my favorite part was it's a Japanese soaking tub is what it's called. It's like a little tub, and it's right on the edge of the room, so you can literally see out to the view. You see through the window, you see through the terrace, and you get that great view, and you could just be soaking while you're looking out at the view. So That room is awesome. Now, obviously pricing always varies on a number of factors, so you'll have to check, you have to look into that. But either way, there's a ton of great options, and even without the balcony terrace at the Cosmo, the Cityview room is really, really, really nice still. So, I hope that was interesting and helpful.